Welcome to Karma Auto Group, Duluth's trusted dealership. Here's a look at a great coupe in our collection. A pre-owned 2017 INFINITI Q60. This INFINITI is powered by rear-wheel drive V6 engine, automatic transmission, and has 82,626 miles. Elevate your drive with this sleek 2017 INFINITI Q60. Experience luxury and performance in one agile package. Packed with features and meticulously maintained, this beauty is ready to turn heads. Don't miss your chance. Schedule a test drive today. This pre-owned Q60 comes with many comfort and luxury, entertainment, and safety, so let's take a look at them. In comfort and luxury, this car comes with leather seats, remote start, keyless entry, power windows, power locks, power seats, power driver's seat, heated steering wheel, push-button start, alloy wheels, climate control. To keep you entertained, this INFINITI Q60 is equipped with touchscreen, Bluetooth, voice-activated audio, navigation. Safety was put first by the following features: blind spot monitor, electronic stability control, ESC, traction control, forward collision warning, tire pressure monitoring system, backup camera, ABS brakes, park assist, daytime running light, parking sensors. Scan the QR code, visit our website for more information, availability, and pricing. Great quality at a great price. Visit us to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to like and follow our channel to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.